When we look at components that have been brought in peer-to-peer environments, such as pneumatic, hydraulic and P&ID, they have a WD type variable. Now let's check out that variable. This is, as you can see, pneumatic, hydraulic, and also there's a turbine there as well. Now let's check the WD type variable. Now you can edit it in a number of ways. I can actually just use edit component here and select this component like so. And if I go show edit miscellaneous here, you can see that the WD type variable there is PI, P and ID. So I'll cancel that and I'll cancel that. If I edit the component again here on this one and go to show edit miscellaneous, you'll see it's HY. And look, you've even got peer-to-peer information. There's the block name and there's WD type, drawing discipline, and it's HY, hydraulic. So you can obviously add that there. So I'll cancel that and I'll cancel that again. And if I go edit component again and select this one, you'll see there when I do show edit miscellaneous, again, the drawing discipline is pneumatic. And you can see that it's a pneumatic block there. So this definition WD type is important. If I just cancel those though and do a zoom extents and go and zoom in, let's say on this relay here, and do the same again, I'll do an edit and I'll select the relay, show edit miscellaneous there, that's a common O2. That's because we know it's electrical. Notice there's no WD type variable there. The way to find it on this particular one is to right click, attributes, list edit. And let's have a look, is there a WD type in there? There isn't. That's because only peer-to-peer components on a drawing use that WD type variable to obviously let AutoCAD Electrical know that they are not electrical components. So you can see there that you might have the same description. So let's have a look at that. Let's just cancel that for a moment and let's have a look at inserting a component. So let's bring a component into the drawing. Let's have a look at something like a motor. And I'm going to look at, let's say, a standard one-phase motor. Let's bring that in. A one-phase motor, and I'll drop that right there. There's my motor and I'll OK that. Now I'm not actually attaching that to any wiring, but if I went to, let's say, pneumatic here or hydraulic or P&ID, let's have a look at pneumatic components for a moment. Are there any motors there? Yes, there are. Slightly different. There's an axial piston air motor, but if I bring that in and then I say OK to that, it's coming very small, but if I zoom in on it, you can see it's still a motor. So if I right click on that and go to attributes and list edit, you'll see there's the WD type. So I could have a block that is still a motor, but it's a pneumatic motor rather than an electrical motor controlled by the electrical circuit. So that's your WD type variable. It allows you to work with your peer-to-peer drawings with other disciplines that are related to your electrical drawings.